I am Fazil Qadir Bhatt. I am reading in class 6th. Today we will discuss about global warming. Global warming is a common term used today. It refers to the rising average temperature of the oceans and atmosphere. Some of the reasons for global warming is the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Now I will like to invite Arya, and she will tell you about global warming.
My name is Arya Mushtaq. I am reading in class 8th. Today I will tell you about global warming. According to NASA, global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface. Observers in the pre-industrial period due to human activities, primarily due to fossil fuel burning. Rapid melting of Kulhai Glacier is one of the largest glaciers of Kashmir Valley. Is matter of concern nowadays. Now I would like to call Adil Irshad. He will tell you about global warming.
Other likely effects of global warming include heat waves, droughts and heavy rainfall, and also specific extension. Now I will invite Alia Nazir, and she will
My name is Alia Nazir. I read in class 8th. Today I will tell about the global warming. 2 decades back, global warming was considered a Western concept, but its impact is visible across the globe. Now I invite OS Ashraf, and he will tell about global warming.
Global warming is the largest threat to humanity because it increases Earth's surface average temperature, and it is dangerous for humanity. 10 years ago, Earth's average temperature will increase 4.3 degrees Celsius. We will invite Shaish. He will tell you about global warming.
The migratory bird has changed their circle while some of them steer in during summer, others do not turn in winter. Now I would like to invite here Arif Yusuf. He will tell you about global warming.
My name is Arif Yusuf. I read in class 8th. Several small glaciers have disappeared completely in some areas. Thickness of glaciers has responded. Invite here Sahil Javed.
Another phenomenon that is related to global warming is the occurrence of high velocity in the valley.
My name is Abhichi. I read in class 8. Climate change impacts different securities in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is invite
Vehicles, aeroplanes release high amount of greenhouse gases. Now
The demarcation between seasons that was well defined a decade ago has finished. I would like to invite here Rumaisa Hilal. She will tell you about global warming.
My name is Rumaisa Hilal. I read in class 8. Today I will tell you about global warming. Many birds which are seen in flocks in spring have been disappeared due to global warming. There is really high amount of CO2 which causes global warming.
the children of tomorrow will bear the heavy burden of our indifference if we do not act today. Now I would like to invite Arya Mushtaq. She will conclude this discussion. Thank you.
Slowly the planet will burn into smoke. You would be left with no more hope. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Say environment, save life. Say environment, save life. Say environment, save life. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Environment, save life. Say environment, save life. Thank you.